making iced tea concentrate to can. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners, for another episode. Canning tea concentrate for iced tea or sweet tea. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Today we're making iced tea concentrate. One of these concentrates will make a half gallon of iced tea. Put it in my pitcher, add ice and water, and I've got iced tea instantly. So company stops by, boom, iced tea right away. All I need is ice. The other benefit is I'm going off grid and I'll have it ready to make. I'll have to buy the ice at the gas station when I come through on my way back home, but at least I'll have instant iced tea. Now, you're saying, why don't you just make sun tea? Very good question. I know you're going to ask that in the comments, so I'm just going to address it now. Because I live in Michigan, and we don't always have sunny days to make sun tea, and you still want some iced tea. It can be hot and cloudy and here, and you want some iced tea. So you can make this. This is unsweetened for me. And then when I open it, I'm going to add some stevia if I feel like sweet tea. But otherwise, in the recipe as we go along, I'll show you how to add lemon and sugar. Both are optional. You don't have to do it. So then you make your tea, and I'll show you here in the video. Put it in your canning jars just like you were canning juice, and a 15-minute water bath just like you're canning juice. So easy, ready for instant hot tea or iced tea on your shelf, and you don't have to worry about those cloudy days. Also, you don't have to worry about heating your house up in the summer. You can make this in the winter, can it, and have it ready for summer. Also keeps your house cool in the summer that way. So here we go. Canned iced tea. Thank you, Rebel Canners. So you want to bring your water to a boil and then add your tea bags and let it simmer. 10 cups boiling water. 20 tea bags. I use Lipton because that's what I prefer. Okay, so I have had my tea concentrate seeping for 15 minutes. I don't want to do it any longer than that. It'll make it bitter. I'm going to go ahead and fill my jars and get ready to water bath. Oh, but before I forget, those optional ingredients are 2 tablespoons of lemon juice if you want lemon in your tea. And you can add up to 5 cups of sugar, depending on how sweet you like your sweet tea. And stir this in really good and make sure it dissolves completely before filling your jar. So you get them all filled. Go ahead and wipe the rims. I'm not using vinegar because I don't want vinegar in there. Just wiping to make sure it's nice and dry. Get a lid on. All right. And then just put the finger tight. And we're going to water bath these for 15 minutes. And there you have it. If you wanted to add lemon, you could add lemon. If you wanted some sugar, the recipe, I will give you the recipe with the sugar. I made mine without because I just wanted tea concentrate. And then it is 1 part concentrate to 4 parts or 3 parts water, depending on how strong you like your tea. So we're going to go ahead and water bath these. That's a 15-minute water bath, same as you would do juice. So it's real easy to slip these in when you do some juice as your extra jar. And there you have it, iced tea concentrate, ready to use, and way cheaper than buying the same product at the store. When you're ready to use it, just remember it's 3 to 4 parts ice water to 1 part concentrate. Enjoy your summer, Rebel Canners. Hope it's a good one for you.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.